Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am sharing one more morning drink which is helpful for boosting immunity, to lose weight, gives a healthy and glowing skin and improves digestive system. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. For this recipe, we need only 3 ingredients. Those are ginger, 1 lime and a piece of raw turmeric. You can get this raw turmeric in any of the wet markets or from any supermarkets. If you won't get, you can replace it with turmeric powder. To make this drink, heat some water. Into this add crushed ginger and turmeric root. The proportion is same for both of the ingredients. Now let this water boil for 5 to 6 minutes. To save time in the morning, I clean and crush them previous night and keep in refrigerator. After boiling it for 5 minutes, I strained into a glass and will squeeze half a lemon. That's it. Mix and have the drink while it's lukewarm. I suggest you to have this drink at least twice in a week. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me to come up with more new videos like this. Stay home, stay healthy. Bye-bye.